How to buy NFTs on Solana safely and easily. NFTs have exploded in popularity over the last couple of years. In 2021, the NFT market hit a value of around $40 billion, and by the end of the year, there were approximately 28.6 million wallets trading NFTs. There are some steps to buying the NFTs very easily on Solana. Step 1. Setting boundaries for yourself. If you focus on spending only what you can actually afford to lose, then you're not going to have to worry as much about what will happen if something goes wrong and your NFT loses value. If the market goes down, you can wait for it to rise back up again. I'd recommend taking some time to make specific rules you want to follow before you start browsing through the art pieces and NFT options available to you. For instance, your rules might be, for example, only spend up to X amount of dollars per piece, or only spend X amount of dollars in total, or only choose pieces I have a direct emotional connection with. Step 2. Set up your Solana-based wallet. Next, you're going to need a Solana-based wallet to start buying. Some of the most popular options are Solflare, Phantom, and Solid. For the purpose of this guide, let's assume you're going to use Phantom for your wallet. Visit the Phantom website and download the browser extension. Then, click Create New Wallet. Once you have your wallet set up, head over to the Solana marketplace you're going to be using, either SolC, Solanart, etc., so you can connect your wallet. Step 3. Get your Sol crypto. Just like Ethereum-based platforms ask you to purchase your NFTs with Ether, the Ethereum currency, Solana-based platforms ask you to use Sol. This means you're going to need to buy some Sol on one of the various exchanges available online. Cryptocurrency exchange platforms that offer Sol include Binance, Coinbase, Uphold. You'll need to purchase your required Sol amount, then send it to your wallet address. Step 4. Find your Solana NFTs. Collectibles are the most popular form of NFT because people are actively investing in artworks, memes, and other digital creations which they feel a connection with their specific personality or goals in life. When you look for an NFT on a marketplace like Solanart and SolC, you can buy a Solantasy NFT. Because from this, you can use to play a lot of games, and these Sol Warrior NFTs look like pixelated game warriors. Step 5. Buy your NFTs. You can explore the latest NFTs on the top or trending NFT collections, or just check out what's new. Once you find something you're interested in, you can just click on the NFT and you can read a little bit more about the piece. You'll see things like who the art piece is currently owned by, what the price is, and where you can make an offer when your wallet is connected. I hope that this video is helpful for you. To watch our more educational videos, do like and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.